Hey guys, Super Chef here. Just coming to you from my local car wash. Kind of doing an impromptu review because as I started using this product, it seemed to suck the grease and dirt off of these old ass tires that I bought. So what I'm using is rim cleaner, Armorall Extreme, and I'm actually spraying it right on the sidewall of the tire. So I wish I would have taken a photo of the tires before to show you how grimy they are, but the instant I started spraying it on, you can see it's sucking the mud and dirt or whatever this. These are just a set of used old tires just to get me by, hopefully till winter, but I doubt it. But they had a really grimy substance on the outside. They're actually probably super expired and possibly unsafe to drive on, but they're in the rear so I can still steer if I lose power. But you can actually see the grease and grime just coming right off. Now it is a rim cleaner, as it says. Focus there. So it is a rim cleaner, but like I said, I'm using it on the tires as well, and I'm very impressed. So I might actually buy a full-size bottle of this. So just to cut the grime. My rims are intricate in the amount of spokes that they have. So it's kind of a pain to clean them, really. Seriously, look at that. These tires on the front of my car are actually fairly new, probably not expired at all. But the amount of grime that's coming off of just the tire alone is amazing. So I'll buy this product and I'll use it again. This was just a sample bottle that came in a small little kit. So I'm gonna go ahead and clean my wheels up and maybe I'll take another video of them done. Here, now that the tire cleaner or rim cleaner is off, you can see like the tires aren't that great at all, to be honest. On their own, on their own, there's some sort of overspray from painting on there. The tires are weathered, but regardless, the tire cleaner seemed to do, or the rim cleaner seemed to do a great job at that. And then I just finished them off with a little tire shine. I had a little sample of that as well. So something must have scuffed me there. Anyway, that's it there. A little review video of Armorall Extreme Tire Shine and rim and tire cleaner. So if you like the video or you want to see more, make sure you hit the like and subscribe button and tap the little notification bell. Thanks again for watching.